In this Mosaic tips and tricks video, I'm going to show you how to create a full height backsplash in a job. You can see I've already changed the backsplash texture to a mosaic tile. Let's go to the Tops tab, then you'll want to select the elevation. Select the countertop you would like to adjust the backsplash on, right click, and then go down to Shape Backsplash. You can see once you do that, it brings up a shaping mode and you have the editing nodes on the corners. You can then select it and hold your left mouse button down and move those nodes and they will snap into position. If you right click on the actual line, you can split it. That adds another editing node so you can move it into place. Let's go ahead and split it one more time. And then I will split this twice up above the cutout area. And I'm just letting these nodes snap into place. On the bottom right, select Accept Edits. And if you go to your 3D viewer, you can see I have my backsplash full height that is modified around the upper cabinet that is shorter in height.